Rabbi Joe, we're on the road. We're at the Pennsylvania State Museum in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Let's look around. I promise the one that said I should live stream it. If you guys want to go to Monster Bash?
So like revolutionary stuff, that was originally the arts.
Oh.
So that's why it's like there's an art museum.
Yeah.
Three sides, Peter. 3,000 years. Can I hang it up?
You just leave it in the thing here and then they're going to put it up. He just wrote that all by himself, like.
Wrote signage. Looks like a little bit like a G. He always points it out and he's like G. Because it doesn't make sense that it should be a G, right, Ma?
Yeah, he knows that it's a
Ma?
Yeah, he knows that it's a secret. Can you write Moses on Can you write Moses on a star? On a star? Yes or no?
This one's like an artist sign. Oh, this one's really cool. There's a leopard gecko. There's a leopard gecko.
These are what? Okay.
This one says animals.
Mommy, and this one is animals.
Watch her turn her.
All right, well. How tiny this guy was. He's a soldier.
So he's like messing people up with the sword. Continental red flag. Cool. Domari Nolo, I refuse to be subjugated. Yes.
Pennsylvania flag.
Pro photography. What's that?
Just says no food.
We saw the real Liberty Bell, didn't we? You remember it? You're pretty little.
Mommy, there's the paint
Oh, when ketchup was old, it was in glass bottles. Slimy, when ketchup was old, it was in glass bottles. You see the glass bottle?
bicentennial of mountains.
200 years. I used to think it had something to do with Buffalo. And I was like, oh, that's why they had the Buffalo headquarters for the bicentennial, and it wasn't even a Buffalo headquarters. It was just a bicentennial. I was like, oh, I confused the Buffalo head nickel with the bicentennial quarter. Monster Bear. Please don't knock over the wall.
Excuse me. Go ask for help.
Hershey chocolate world.
Yeah.
Yeah, right, Monster Bash is like full Google Monster Bash.
The music culture of Pittsburgh. Groundhog Day. Trout fishing. Somebody wrote Wawa. She knows that Zane's Wawa, go birds.
There was something on TV. Okay.
Black people were discriminated against in Pennsylvania even. No color.
Mommy,
What?
how black people were discriminated where?
In Pennsylvania, they talked about that. That's what they're talking about. That's what this whole exhibit is. It's people who, yeah. It wasn't Jim Crow Bob. It was just like this.
Jim Thorpe.
Jim Thorpe, is he in this museum? I don't know. Why are you not?
Statue. Okay. That feels fun.
Joe, he wants to straight up to the emergency.
Okay.
I want to go. Daddy, yes, Papa. Touch, I'm gonna make an American flag.
Yeah. They don't look stupid.
Ready to go upstairs? Yeah. Well, that's why you have to be careful. And explain the English.
Everybody asked for that one. They renovated, so we'll be out here in a couple of more months too.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sad?
Big losses and everything. Oh, God. Got a lot of time in time.
Good luck. Okay, thank you.
What is that? I know that's the T-Rock slide. I forgot. I'm ready. What's that orange one?
The orange one, that one, that's the duchy. Another
Come on, step up. There you go.
Wait, where's the Indian stuff?
Take a look at the artifacts.
This isn't Indian stuff, it's
Video of the archaeologists digging in my backyard. And if you have more questions, visit their website.
yeah, they found these in the ground. Yes. He wants it.
Do you find Indian heads by in Monroe, like Museum Village?
Oh, what's the one in your backyard? The backyard you go up there. You found it.
Anyway, when I was in 4th grade, I was really bored during recess. So I was rubbing a rock against the pavement until it became like a really sharp arrowhead. I got to like physics and stuff. I kept it in my pocket as my lucky arrowhead, and once I went on a roller coaster, no more Mr. Arrowhead.
Unit 2 severely damaged the reactor core. In the accident, the pilot operated relief valve, or located at the top of the pressurizer, stuck open. This allowed water in the form of steam to flow from the cooling system to a drain tank and eventually to reactor building basement floor. This loss of cooling water uncovered the core and allowed it to overheat. The loss of coolant was stopped and the reactor system brought back under control, but not before the core sustained significant damage.
The robot that cleaned up 3 Mile Island. Thanks to Homer Simpson, he turned a potential Chernobyl into a mere 3 Mile Island. I don't know. It's right behind you. Yeah. Just keep an eye on him.
Yeah, I have good perfection. Okay, let's go down.
Spindle! Yay! Now I can learn about the stuff I was learning about in school.
Parents found
Parents will hear about this one.
I was thinking what I'm doing, but
What's it called? Malika?
I'm gonna hear something interesting someone at the mental hospital.
What?
But it took 28 years to make a Viking ship, and it took like double as long to make the sails
Yeah,
because of the spinning.
yeah.
He said spinning was such like a important. So when they started having machines like this, it like revolutionized the world basically. I've been past here before, drinking out of window. I don't remember where we were, but I remember seeing it. I googled it later. And I was like, oh.
They had spindles in those kind of
Yeah, but I was saying, and they had these big motorized machines.
See the coal?
Here, last butter.
For me, it's very, very exciting with Native American stuff.
Well, let's go see it.
Call me boring, call me not having fun.
Whoa. Fancy. Andrew Carnegie owns this top one in Skibo in his native Scotland. Well, la di da. Oh, are you okay? No.
Where's Mo?
He's crazy. I don't know what's right or not. What's so much safer than bigger plane? Oh, alcohol.
See the USA in your Chevrolet. Oh no, they're not allowed to show the Native American stuff because of federal law. Because it's offensive. Yeah.
Where's Dina?
With the other kid.
Maple
Dina, stay with us. Is that a Susquehanna hat? It's not fair, they only talk about the federally recognized tribes. I was saying it's not fair. That's how long had Longhouse was? I thought Longhouse would be longer than this.
Whoa.
I think whatever they're not showing is because it was actual like bones and stuff.
Gina.
Dina, where are you? They have an anvil here. That's for dropping on the head of cartoon characters. And no other purpose. Oh, we were here already. Oh, this already.
Where's the comic book store?
Was in this town, New Hope, where Brandon had his engagement pictures.
Do you want to hold